Molo, Guron lo kwakhona. This is Ron again. Let's eat some lunch. Masitye itinala. Masitye itinala. What do we have here? We have bread, isonka. Isonka. We have some meat, inyama. Inyama. We have some onion, itswele. Itswele. We have some tomato, itumata. Itumata. And finally, we have some lettuce, iletisi. Iletisi. Right, let's move on with our itinala, our lunch. We have some bread again, isonka. Isonka. Some of us like white bread. Isonka esimhlophe. Isonka esimhlophe. Brown bread. Isonka esibrowni. Isonka esibrowni. This is a slang term, but it is appropriate. Whole wheat. There isn't actually a word for whole wheat in terms of bread, so it is just referred to as whole wheat. Whole wheat. So for lunch, I like to eat a sandwich. Ndithanda ukutya, I like to eat isengwitshi. Ngedinala for lunch. Ndithanda ukutya isengwitshi ngedinala. I spread butter or margarine on the bread. Ndiqaba, I spread. Ndiqaba ibhotolo or imargarini esonkeni. Ndiqaba ibhotolo or imargarini esonkeni. I eat 2 slices. Nditya izilayi ezibini. Nditya izilayi ezibini. I like a sandwich with lettuce, tomato, onion, and meat. Quite a sandwich. Ndithanda isengwitshi. I like a sandwich. Enelethisi with lettuce. Itumata, tomato. Itswele, onion. Nenyama, and meat. Ndithanda isengwitshi enelethisi, itumata, itswele, nenyama. Many of us like a hot drink after a meal. And here we have, by way of illustration, we have some tea, iti. Iti. We have a cup, ikomiki. Ikomiki. We have a teaspoon, itispuni. Itispuni. We have some sugar, iswekile. Iswekile. We have some milk, ubisi. Ubisi. And finally we have a jug, ijagi. Ijagi. Right, so we have our hot drink, tea or coffee, which is either iti or ikofu. So to drink something hot is to phunga. Phunga is to drink something hot. And you can say, ndiphunga iti, I drink tea. Ndiphunga ikofu, I drink coffee. To our tea or coffee we might add galela, milk, ubisi, sugar, iswekile. So to drink something hot, phunga. To add something, galela. And let's now have the hot drink. First of all, I add milk to the tea or coffee. Ndigalela ubisi, I add milk, etini to the tea, ekofini to the coffee. Ndigalela ubisi etini. Ndigalela ubisi ekofini. I add sugar. Ndigalela iswekile. Ndigalela iswekile. I add 1 teaspoonful. Ndigalela itispuni enye. Ndigalela itispuni enye. I add 2 teaspoons full. Ndigalela iitispuni ezimbini. Ndigalela iitispuni ezimbini. I add milk and sugar to the tea or coffee. Ndigalela ubisi neswekile, milk and sugar, ubisi neswekile etini or ekofini. I stir the tea with a teaspoon. Ndizamisa iti ngeteaspoon. Ndizamisa iti ngeteaspoon. So to add is galela, to stir is zamisa. Some people don't add milk and sugar to their tea or coffee and would state the following. Andigaleli bisi neswekile. Andigaleli bisi neswekile. So at the top here we have ndigalela, I do add, and at the bottom here we have andigaleli, I don't add. Take note of that. And that's the end of the video. Inkosi kakhulu.